Every single eggplant on this farm started as a seed smaller than your fingernail. This is one of the biggest eggplant operations in the world, growing and processing tons every single day.
Let me show you the entire journey, from a single seed to a harvested eggplant.
It all begins in a nursery, where each seed is carefully selected and planted by hand.
Warmth, moisture, and light bring each seed to life within days.
Every seedling is checked carefully before it's strong enough for the open field. Now they're ready to leave the greenhouse behind.
A mechanical transplanter moves thousands of seedlings into the open field, each one placed at the exact same depth and spacing.
Immediate watering helps the seedlings settle into their new home.
Weeks later, the plants are thriving, and the first flowers begin to appear.
Careful irrigation and natural pest management keep every plant healthy.
Every detail is monitored, right down to the moisture in the soil.
Where each flower once bloomed, a tiny eggplant now begins to grow.
Over several more weeks, the fruit grows steadily larger and takes on its deep, glossy color.
Every fruit is checked by hand before harvest begins.
Harvest day begins early, while the morning air is still cool. Each eggplant is cut carefully and handled gently to prevent bruising. From here, the harvest heads straight to the packing facility.
Every load is unloaded and logged the moment it arrives.
Before anything enters the facility, every single fruit is checked for firmness and appearance.
Washing removes dirt and residue before further processing.
A camera system sorts each eggplant by size and quality in an instant.
Even with cameras sorting, human eyes still get the final word. Only the best fruit moves forward to packaging.
A thin, food-safe wax coating helps lock in freshness and gives that signature shine.
Each box is packed carefully to prevent bruising in transit.
Sealed and labeled, ready to survive the journey ahead.
Cold storage keeps the eggplants fresh until they're ready to ship. From here, it's just hours away from a store shelf near you.
From a tiny seed to this eggplant in my hand, Kong Phai, that's the entire journey.